Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Today we're gonna look at the stock chart of AMD Advanced Micro Devices. We're gonna look at this stock from a mid-term, short-term and long-term point of view. I have with me the daily chart of AMD. You see that it has started a new uptrend. There was some sell-off here, drifting sideways, drifting downwards, but eventually it started a new uptrend here. Now, how do we know that it started a new uptrend? It's making higher lows, and also higher highs here. It's easiest to spot an uptrend when there is a bullish cross where the faster MA cross back above the slower MA. This is the 20 MA, this is the 50 MA, this is 200 MA. Previously, the 50 MA was above the 20 MA, therefore we had a slight drift down. Now it has crossed back above. It's a bullish cross, and you can see the MAs are rising, which gives us a hint that short term we should be bullish, mid-term bullish, and long-term bullish. Now, having said that, there seems to be some kind of trouble here. If I just draw can you just see it? A double top here. There is a possibility of a double top forming, so you might want to be careful. And we can draw a trend line here. Trend lines are very useful for analysis. We connect the lows here. And the lows here, connect 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 3 lows here. This is the trend line, and you can use it as a gauge of the strength of the stock. Once the stock breaks below this upper trend line, there is a possibility that it might drop even lower to meet the 50 MA. Now, why is there some kind of slowdown in bullish momentum here? We just have to look back at the chart back in November 2021, around 2022. If I just switch to the weekly chart, you can see it clearer. There is a former high here. Previous highs are actually resistance area because people who traded there and bought stocks that have lost money. So this is an area of resistance. You can see it's almost where the daily double top is forming. Now, having said that, that doesn't mean that just because it reaches area of resistance, stock is gonna just fall down. No, we have to carefully analyze the stock every day, look at the support and resistance area to know whether what is the best course of action to take, whether to continue to hold the stock, to buy the stock or sell the stock. But definitely those who bought the stock, let me just go back to the daily charts. Those who bought the stocks as AMD broke above a daily downtrend line, so there's a huge volume here and a large green candle here. Definitely there's a lot of traders that bought the stock as it broke above this downtrend line. So for those who bought the stock here and put a stop loss here, the stock has run up so much. Traders should start to take some profits off the table, which is why we can see these actions here. And for those who traded, who bought the stock, should take some positions off the table, maybe 1/3 or half, and let the remaining positions run. For those who have not entered yet, this might be a very dicey situation unless a bullish continuation pattern forms, maybe a ascending triangle breakout or a triangle breakout. So far it's still too early for us to determine if there's any pattern that's forming, but what I want to bring you to your attention is this. This is an area of support. This is a strong area of support. Why? Because this is a former high here, and this is a former high here, some kind of double top here, but the stock is able to overcome. The principle of support and resistance is this. Once resistance, this was previously a resistance area, once the resistance has been broken, it now has become the new support, which is why the stock stopped dropping around here and moved back up. So this is an area of value, area of support, and as long as the stock continues to trade above this area of value, you're going to see the stock continue to move higher. Now what about the resistance over here? There is a move up here, and this move up here might have absorbed enough of the supply here. So if there is a continuation pattern that develops in this daily chart, let's say ascending triangle, that's most likely it will, if it breaks out of this ascending triangle or any continuation pattern, most likely it will overcome the previous high. This weekly chart here, any continuation pattern, it will break out and overcome and make new highs. So so far there is no weaknesses yet at this moment, although there's a double top kind of pattern in the daily chart, but let's not jump to conclusion so fast. This is the monthly chart. We know because it's I press the 1M here, it means one monthly chart, 1 month. For each candle is 1 month. Now I just want to bring you to attention here that there might be a cup with handle pattern in the monthly chart. Okay, yeah, this will be the base of the cup rounding and goes back up and drift lower and then break out. So if you know a bit about technical analysis, so I hope you saw the cup with handle pattern. If you know a bit about technical analysis, you will know that this is a bullish long-term pattern, and you can take the height of the handle to the lows of the cup and project it outwards from the breakout. Okay, let's take this, project it upwards from the breakout. You get a target that is way above the former highs here, so north of 180, maybe even 190 and 200. So I hope this analysis has been useful to you. If you learned something, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.